The leadership of the Education Ministry believes the system is now more equipped to deal with emergencies. The view comes as school administrators and the Education Ministry reflect on the lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic 5 years later. But as you'll hear in this report, some of the long-standing problems among students got worse during the pandemic. It's been 5 years since the first case of COVID-19 was detected in Jamaica. However, these students at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School remember the moment like it was yesterday.
We were at home, as I said, with our families, we were comfortable. So by re-entering back into the social world, it was difficult for us to again have better behavior towards different people, including ourselves, our classmates and our teachers.
And those issues were evident when students resumed face-to-face classes in March 2022. Keith Wellington is the principal of the school.
We noticed that when the students come into us from primary school, they seem very unsettled. They are unable to deal with conflicts, and as such there are a lot of fights. We also noticed that there seems to be overly exposed where content of a sexual nature is concerned. We would also have noticed that many of these students seem to lack respect for authority figures. What we have tried to do is to have greater relationships with the parents as well as provide mentorships for our students.
So with the COVID-19 pandemic now behind us, the ministry says the sector is better equipped to deal with global emergencies, from additional resources to continuous psychosocial support.
We had records of everybody accessing some kind of virtual pedagogical training. And then the National College for Educational Leadership also had to pivot to train our teachers in virtual leadership. As you would have seen now, when we have challenges in our communities, be it a roadblock or rain or so, the system doesn't shut down. We now pivot into remote. And I'm specifically saying remote and not virtual, because not in all cases we will have everybody online.
On top of that, other issues which were evident during the pandemic, such as students being missing from the system as well as poor punctuality, are also being addressed.
Now our teachers are able to mark our students' attendance and behavior in a digital space. We here in Central Ministry can see what's happening in each school that currently engaged or on the platform. We can see the attendance, we can see behavioral issues, and it will be expanded to even accounting for their academic performance. And so COVID really is that thing that pushed us into having that eye into our 1009 institutions.